Welcome to Miami, a global tip of the spear for climate change impacts. For our Plants and Climate Change Education project, the Kampong of the National Tropical Botanical Garden created student and teacher-centered programs. This took the form of a teacher professional learning workshop, a summer internship, and guided hands-on experiences in the garden for middle and high school students. We put together a series of activities designed to illustrate the impact of climate change on our food systems and our coastal habitat. Our high school interns designed experiments to study how climate change might impact edible plants that are grown in our food forest at the Kampong. These experiments and the interns' feedback were used to develop activities for a guided, hands-on experience for middle and high school students. They would be able to follow in their peers' footsteps, collecting data, and teasing apart the effects of climate change in their own community. Teachers were invited to participate in a professional learning workshop to learn more about the guided experience and were then eligible for a free visit to the Kampong with their students. The program topics included: what are the effects of increasing temperatures on edible plants grown in the food forest? And what are the effects of increased soil salinity on native and ornamental coastal plants? A few features of this program stand out for us. One was the opportunity to install new garden zones that can live on beyond the scope of this project for future visitors and students to learn from. The second was incorporating the tools and practices of science in our programs. Students have been able to use tools like chlorophyll and salinity meters, practice asking testable questions, and combined their new skills to develop their own experimental designs. If you want to adapt our model to your needs, focus on the big picture through the local lens. How will climate change impact your community? How will plants in your area be affected? In addition to offering free admission for the school group, provide a bus or a stipend to support transportation. Make a plan, make it strong, and be prepared to walk away from it when you need to. Sometimes unexpected and wonderful things come up in the moment, and you don't want to miss out on the chance to see where they will lead. Through this pilot program, we have developed activities, talking points, and materials that can be used throughout the garden and with many audiences. This can only strengthen our effort to connect people, plants, and place. Now through an understanding of how climate change affects us all, and each of us can be part of the solution.